Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. This is my first video. Oh my goodness. I have been a makeup artist for about 8 or 9 years. I've been an esthetician for 6 years. I really enjoy working in the beauty industry. It has moved mountains for my soul. It has given me a sense of purpose. It has lit up my life. I am just really excited and really nervous to actually edit and post. I'm all about constructive criticism and feedback, especially this being my first video and makeup tutorial. So if you like this look, stay tuned because I'll be going over it step by step. So because some of the products that we apply to our face is done with our hands, the first thing we need to do is wash our hands, which I have done. My skin, even after washing and moisturizing, it's a little oily. We're going to apply a Pore Professional Primer. This is by Benefit. I'm just going to take a little bit to my middle finger. I'm going to apply Cinnamon Secrets Hydrating Moisture Spray. You can actually apply this before, during, and after your makeup application. If you do want to keep it hydrating as much as possible, you can take your beauty blender, get it all in there. There we go. We are going to work on our eyes first, because who likes creases in their eyeshadow? Not me. Use NYX Glitter Primer. And I'm going to take this brush. It's from Sephora. It's very old. It's for cream shadow. It says 28. Eyelids are perfect. Concealer. You don't need a lot. I'm actually going to take my favorite concealer brush, which is from MAC, also very old, but I'm sure they still have this one. It's very popular. This is $1.95. LA Girl Pro Concealer, Yellow Corrector. A good way for your eyeshadow to not crease, especially during you applying it, is to put a setting powder on your concealer before you do any eyeshadow. Take Cinnamon Secrets setting powder and Soft Custard. So this is from Morphe. It's a nice little brush here. See that? So this is the M433. I think we're gonna go with this color right here. Probably gonna do this color right there. This color right here. We're gonna take our same brush, concealer brush that we use to conceal our lids. I'm actually going to use, I think I'm gonna use this like really chocolate brown on the bottom here. Next, which we are not done blending, all those colors, your outer corner, your crease color, your color right under your crease, and the area right below your eyebrow. We're just gonna kind of blend. So this brush is by, it's Posh by Brie. She's out of Rhode Island. I actually went to her her eye brush launch last year. Very impressed. Great job. I like that color. Brush, brush, brush.
Oh, you got me so bad, son.
I'm gonna brush just a tad. Moving on, face makeup. NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop foundation. And this is in the color Natural. I'm gonna take our beauty blender that is wet. So I'm actually going to take that natural color, this Sephora brush. It is the Pro Airbrush Concealer. And I'm just going to put it in the areas that I want highlighted. I'm going to actually be contouring with the Fenty Matchstick triple combo. It's with Bamboo, Mocha, and Starstruck. So definitely want it to be a little higher than normal. From Urban Decay. And we're just going to blend. Make sure the pointed angle is facing down when blending. And you're gonna take the other side. From Luxie, came in my Ipsy bag. I'm going to use this side. Next, we are going to set with setting powder. Tap it a little bit, get that excess off. we can do underneath our eyes. So we're gonna take the crease color and I'm gonna go right underneath. We're gonna just bronze over where we did our bronzer contour. My Smashbox contour palette. I'm going to take this brush. My absolute favorite blush, and it's by Tarte, and it's in the shade Hard Time with a bunch of A's. So I'm just gonna kind of get it on the brush and contour with that. Just upward motions. Doesn't need to be a lot. Just even. You just definitely want to make sure it's even. I am totally and completely obsessed with the Reezy highlighter. My highlighter brush, that is by Morphe and M451. We're gonna come back to this brush right here by Luxie. Go to your highlighter. I love to put highlighter in the inner corner of my eyes. So we're gonna do that next. I'm actually using MAC, using this brush right here. Now we are going to set. If everything looks the way you want it to look, now it's setting. So I'm gonna use the Cinema Secrets setting spray. It's their super sealer. So for our eyelashes, we're gonna use our Ardell Wispies. You can find them at Sally's, CVS. I like to start with either the middle or the outer corner. Okay. I think it's so cute. Okay. Moving on to lips. So this Kat Von D is like my favorite Lolita. Love this color. And there you have it. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope this tutorial helps you. If you have questions, of course, you can ask, you can leave a comment. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you liked this video and you want to see more. Have a great day.